Birds have a lot to teach us, whether it's about resilience, teamwork, adaptability, or even joy. In today's video, let's learn some important life lessons from birds and implement them in our daily lives. Number one on my list is adaptability. Birds thrive in all kinds of environments, from icy landscapes to bustling cities. They teach us to embrace change and find ways to flourish no matter the circumstances. Number two on my list is the power of community. Many birds, like geese, fly in V formations to reduce wind resistance and conserve energy. This teamwork shows us how collaboration makes us stronger. Number third is resilience and perseverance. Every year, migratory birds travel thousands of miles through harsh conditions, proving the value of persistence and determination. Number fourth on my list is being present. Birds wake up singing and greet each day with enthusiasm. They remind us to appreciate the moment and find joy in simple things. Lastly on my list is taking flight. Sometimes we hesitate to take risks, but birds don't judge their ability to fly. They just do it. They remind us that sometimes we just need to trust ourselves and take the leap. What do you think? Which of these lessons resonates with you the most? If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Take care.